Hey there, today we're diving into the sleek and versatile CORSAIR 3500X Mid-Tower ATX PC Case, designed for those who crave both performance and aesthetics. With its panoramic tempered glass panels, this case offers a stunning wraparound view of your build, supporting motherboard form factors from Mini-ITX to EATX. The 3500X doesn't just look good, it boasts high cooling capacity with side, roof, and PSU fan mounting points, allowing you to install up to 10 by 120mm fans for optimal airflow. Its removable tempered glass panels make it a breeze to build and access your system, while its compatibility with reverse connection motherboards like ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero ensures a clean, cable-free view. Plus, it fits multiple 360mm radiators, supporting liquid cooling with mounts for up to 280mm and 360mm radiators in the roof and side. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a first-time enthusiast, the CORSAIR 3500X offers the perfect blend of functionality and style for your next PC project. So, get ready to showcase your components like never before with this incredible case. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.